government's commitment to transparent and effective implementation of flood rehabilitation projects. For the housing sector, the government of Sindh has already instituted robust mechanisms to ensure that the process of reconstruction is completely credible. Similar mechanisms can be and will be emulated across different sectors. We have completed extensive survey for all sectors, identified damages and gaps, prepared a financing-ready schemes for climate resilient Sindh. My special gratitude goes to the World Bank Group, which has been very forthcoming in its efforts to support the government of Sindh in all sectors. The Asian Development Bank has also agreed to provide support in the road rehabilitation sector. All development partners and countries have come forward in this hour of need and have made commendable pledges during the Geneva conference, and I thank them all. The people of Sindh now need that the pledges are converted into reconstruction. I would urge that grants are given for the housing projects for the poor, as the government of Sindh is providing these houses free of cost. The mechanism of this will be explained later today. I implore all the stakeholders to utilize this conference as a collaborative avenue to forge sustainable partnerships across the most affected sectors to foster resilient recovery, rehabilitation, and reconstruction of the province with a Build Back Better principle. It is my sincere hope that the discussions and deliberations at this conference culminate in long-lasting partnerships for sustainable solutions to alleviate the colossal impact of floods in a climate-resilient manner.